You never know when life's roller coaster ride takes you down. And that's a part of the game. Feeling better is that seatbelt that gives you the safety during the downfall. Let's discuss 10 super powerful yet simple techniques that can make you feel better when the time is tough. Number 1. Acceptance is relief. Sometimes, acceptance does what resistance cannot do. You may try to run away from problems, complain about them, or feel absolutely disturbed. But note that finally, you have to accept what had happened and find solution from a neutral state. Just like that, your ability to find a solution increases when you stay calm in your tough times. Number 2. More awareness, less reaction. Let us give you the most powerful technique to feel better in your challenging phase. Staying more aware and less reactive to negative thoughts. Does it feel hard? Let's make it easy. You don't need to do anything special. Just give yourself the permission to be extra aware when disturbing thoughts come and see those thoughts before reacting. Then decide how to react. It's like letting the scene appear in front of your eyes and then deciding which was your favorite moment in the scene. Once we see thoughts in this way, the burden of excessive negative emotion begins to reduce, and slowly we gain the freedom of choosing what matters to us. Even if you get 15% better in this technique, your ability to feel better increases. Remember, more active and less reactive can make your life super productive. Number 3. Calling your dear friends. We know it can be difficult to talk to your loved ones when life gets busy. But trust us, it is one of the best ways to feel a sense of connection, laughter, and relief after a long time. You just need a few minutes to dial your friend's number and begin the lovely conversation. And sometimes, it's okay when nobody picks up your phone. Everyone has their privacy and you can call them some other time. Number 4. Watching laughter videos. Let us make one thing very clear. No video or person can permanently make you happy unless you start solving your life's problems. You have to be solution oriented to finish what's disturbing you. And then you can watch some laughter videos, to uplift your vibe and feel lighter. Nowadays, we have smartphones and internet connections to get access to plenty of funny content. Number 5. Do a quick breathing session. Nothing feels more comfortable than taking a few deep breaths. It is a short way to recharge your mind, body, and spirit. You can take 4 to 6 deep breaths at one sitting for a few days to feel better again. Number 6. Balancing your life. A well-balanced life always takes you closer to the deepest satisfaction. What are your targets on health, wealth, relationships? Which area gets less attention? Do some exercise and meditation, eat healthy and sleep well if your health is compromised. Go give a few interviews, face some rejections, and finally get selected for the job, or plan on your new business. Do your financial planning. Spend quality time with your loved ones. Be in the nature, or help others to feel the connection. The quicker you balance health, wealth, and relationships, the better your life gets. Number 7. Learn your favorite hobby. Why wait to get that guitar lesson or join the swimming class? Sometimes, all you need is little time for your hobbies to feel better. Thankfully, YouTube has so many free tutorials in different topics, and you can always learn what you want on this platform. Number 8. Listen and sing along. Whenever you get some free time, you can play your favorite songs, listen to them with fullest attention, and sing along. Believe us, it feels so relaxing to follow this technique. Number 9. gratefulness and love. You can always thank life, God, or a higher power for the things you get in life. Just dedicate a few minutes to think about every little thing that made you happy. It's a simple yet powerful exercise. Thankfulness expands your feeling of love for everyone and everything around you. Feel it and rise above hatred. Number 10. Hitting the refresh button. It is never a good idea to think about the past incidents or people who hurt you in any way. Remember, you cannot change the past, but you can surely choose your present and create a new future. So hit the refresh button and silently forgive people who hurt you in the past. Feel good for what you have and who you are right now, because that matters the most. And that's it, guys. Thank you for listening, and we have a playlist waiting for you in the iCard to add self-improvement to your life. Which technique did you like the most? Share your thoughts in the comment section and let life shine bright. Thank you.